kitchen equipment, Fiona speaking. And let me introduce this small kitchen from the South African restaurant. Let's move in. And this is the door we deliver the food from the outside. When we deliver the food, we will go straight to the cold room. We can move here to the chat. And this is the cold room. We can store the vegetables, the meat, the seafood. We will have the separate room. One is for the chiller and other one will be the freezer. The freezer one will be for storage the meat, the vegetable, and the chiller one will be storage the vegetable, the fruits, something like this one. Also, we can move in to check this area will be the meat for the meat storage with the chicken, the seafood, something like that. And let's move on after we put the foods from the cold room. Then we will go to the processing area. This is the working table to cut the vegetable, the meat, and this is the double sink for the washing the vegetable meat. And equipped with the chopping dish. After we clean all the meat, then we will have the chopping dish, and this is the wheel easy to move out. And here also we will have the counter chiller. The vegetable come out, we can store some material in here to melt it, to make the food more soft, to ready to cook. And this is the whole kitchen knife equipped with the fire, the burner, the griddle. Also we will equip with the small table for you to put all the sauce, whiskey, sugar, something like this for the cooking. Also equipped with the whole food waste. Next to the griddle, we will have the homemade oven. Homemade oven can be cook everything for the steamer, the griddle, the frying. After that, all the food is ready. Then we will have the place to the dishes ready for the clients. Then we will come out to the restaurant, and this way we will deliver the food. After the client is finished all the dinner, they will connect all the plates from this area. This is the place we connect the plates. We drop the plates in here, then we will have the whole unit, then we drop the plate and go inside. And this is the landing table. We will have the small trash bin with the hole to drop the rubbish from here, then we will wash the plates. Then with all the pans will go into our food type washing machine for the cleaning. After cleaning, we will place all the wash in here just for the storage. After it's dry out, the plate is dry, then we will have a shelf to put all the plates, the pots and the glasses. And here we will have the small bar. Small bar with the ice cream machine, the cocktail station, also the outside refrigerator for the beers. Also this is the storage for the glasses when we making the cocktail station, and this is the same is also convenient to wash all the tools. And that's all, this is the bar area. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.